What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This time the price of XRP is going to the moon. My friends, people ask me this questions about XRP. As the price of XRP increase in the June or not? People ask me this type of questions. So in this video, I'm going to try answer your question, my friends. Keep watch this video till the end, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.832296 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the XRP in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the XRP, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, the pricing is going positive, but the previous month, the previous last 1 week pricing is going now. From the yesterday, the price of the XRP is going better and the price move is going positive, my friends. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. The price, from the price chart, everything is clear for all of you, my friends. Please, at this time, first of all, I request everyone at this time, if you are new in my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. Please, subscribe is very important for all of you, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about the cryptocurrencies market and especially about the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So my friends, at this time the price of XRP is completely going fast down from the previous last 1 month. In the previous month, the XRP don't take any pump, completely fast down. And you know what, my friends, the price of the XRP fast down from a 1.68 USD dollar to 0.82 USD dollar. That's a big loss of all XRP holders, my friends. So now the question is that is the price increase in the June? So my friends, my personally prediction about XRP is going positive because I believe that after a falls there is a jump. So in a previous whole month the XRP price is fast down, so at this time I recommend for everyone to the price will pump. That is why it's time to hold. Maybe, my friends, the price fast down more, but my prediction, my personally prediction is going positive. And what do you think about XRP? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.